you can slowly get lost in the upcoming premieres of equipment from Chinese manufacturers. Lenovo will present not only a new tablet this week, but also a new laptop, the Lenovo Xiaoxin Pro 14 2022 Ryzen Edition. What will it offer? Lenovo has a good lineup of laptops in the form of the Lenovo Xiaoxin series, and the company has been actively launching new products under this lineup. In the latest development, it has been confirmed that a new device will be launched tomorrow. The company has officially confirmed that the Lenovo Xiaoxin Pro 14 2022 Ryzen Edition will be launched in the Chinese market tomorrow, i.e. on 11th August. Previously, Lenovo had shared some of the key details of the upcoming laptop. It has been confirmed that the laptop will be powered by the AMD Ryzen R7 to 6800HS processor, coupled with Radeon 680M GPU. In terms of memory, the device will be packed with 16 gigs of LPDDR5 RAM and 512 gigs of PCIe 4.0 storage. There's also support for face recognition to unlock the device when opening the lid, which uses the front-facing 1080p Full HD camera sensor. Coming to the display, the Lenovo Xiaoxin Pro 14 2022 Ryzen Edition features a 2.8K display that offers a screen resolution of 2880 by 1800 pixels, a 16 by 10 aspect ratio, a 100% sRGB color gamut, and switching refresh rate between 60 and 120 Hz. As for the connectivity features on the device, the Thunderbolt 4 port has been replaced by USB 4.0 port and a full-featured USB-C port. There's also the traditional USB-A port and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Along with the Xiaoxin Pro 14 2022 Ryzen Edition laptop, the company is expected to launch a few more devices at the launch event tomorrow, including the Xiaoxin Pad Pro 2022. The event is set to start at 7 p.m. local time in China, which is 4:30 p.m. East. How much will the Chinese giant price the new product? Looking at the fact that the version with the Intel Core i5 to 12500H processor costs 54.99 Chinese yuan or $815, I think it will be at least 59.99 Chinese yuan or $890. What do you think about the new generation laptop from Lenovo? Write your opinion in the comments below. Thanks for watching, have a nice day and see you soon.